Hi friends, recently we have started two new sections on our YouTube channel. One is related to the graphs, the graph related discussion, and the other one is clinical case based MCQ discussion. Apart from that, there are daily uploads of MCQs and periodically there are quiz contests. You will get the notification if you subscribe. Alright, let's see the MCQ for the day. A patient is admitted in a tertiary care hospital and he has got edema feet with normal urine output. Now this is not giving us any real information. His interstitial fluid volume is to be measured. Alright. Which of the following is the best suited combination for this purpose? So it is on the indicator dilution method, and by which you want to derive the interstitial fluid volume of this patient, because he has got expansion of the interstitial fluid volume, edema. Alright. And the options are inulin and heavy water or 3H2O, inulin and radioisotope of sodium, or heavy water and radiolabeled albumin, or inulin and radiolabeled albumin. What's the answer? It's D, inulin and radiolabeled albumin. Why? See, if we are to measure the total body water, the indicators are deuterium oxide or tritium heavy water or antipyrine aminopyrine. ECF measurement is by non-metabolizable saccharides. So saccharides are generally used for ECF measurement, like inulin, mannitol, sucrose. So inulin is for the ECF measurement. Now from here the story starts really. ECF, extracellular fluid, is made up of two volumes. ECF is equal to interstitial fluid and plus plasma, right? 3/4 of ECF is interstitial fluid and 1/4 is plasma. Okay, so it's simple. If you know any two of these three, then the third can be calculated. So ECF volume can be measured by using inulin, and plasma volume, you know how is plasma volume measured? By using radiolabeled albumin. Albumin is a plasma protein. So iodine 125 isotope can be used. It is tagged, albumin is tagged, and then plasma volume is measured. So inulin for ECF and radiolabeled albumin for plasma, and then ECF minus plasma, you get the interstitial fluid volume. Simple. It required only a factual information.